Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm looking at 5 alternatives for Clickbank in affiliate marketing. And you know what? We need to do this to be successful for the future. So I'm going to look at what is affiliate marketing just in short, the benefits of having more markets, the 5 alternatives that I will suggest you use, and a summary to summarize why I'm saying this today. I'm Dr. Loendi from legitblueprint.com, where I provide advice, training, and reviews to help you create and grow your online business. Not to miss any of my forthcoming videos, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell to get the notification when my next video is out. Let's look at affiliate marketing, the most profitable method online, finally. It's time you realize that affiliate marketing is by far the most profitable method for generating an income online. If you just look at the facts, it's super simple to start. You don't have to deal with any type of stock or products or finding products to sell. You don't have to worry about bigger fish putting you out of business, like with a normal business. You're not stuck selling one type of product. It's super easy to pivot at any point of time. So let's talk about the 5 alternatives for Clickbank and what is the benefits to have more stores than just Clickbank to sell on Clickbank. So most of you have been in Clickbank and most of you are using Clickbank and are affiliates of Clickbank. So you all know that Clickbank is a big area with a lot of different products. As you can see, they have a market for everything, for business, for cooking, for education, language, home and garden. And it's so easy. If you need something, let's look for Ted's Woodworking. Ted's Woodworking, and here we have it. This is one of the products that I sell on Clickbank. The other market that I found that was really worth promoting on Clickbank was CB University. Most of you have been using Clickbank, maybe still busy or previously. I've been using Clickbank, but I don't put all my eggs in one basket. All of you know about Jvzoo. This is the other marketplace with lots and lots of products, but we must make sure what do we sell. Jvzoo has got lots of digital products, mostly digital products, but not all of the digital products are good products. So you must make sure if you use Jvzoo that you use good products that you would recommend to people to use. Here I can just show you in my Jvzoo page, there's a big launch coming in September 21st to 27th. Join the LSC to launch. So what is the LSC? The Lead Conversion Square. And this is all about the new way of doing webinars. They're selling a webinar model and they make their money with this. So here they are launching this big launch about webinars, and Jvzoo also have some competitions between the affiliate marketers. It all depends how you want to earn money, but be very careful. Don't sell anything if you're not sure that it's a quality product on another platform and not on Clickbank. So let's look at the next one. Sign up for Digital Store 24. Well, they might not be as big as Clickbank, but they're one of the biggest stores, and especially with digital software, they are growing fast. And I can see them passing Clickbank one day. Here I opened my page I'm not really a marketer for Digistore, but I just want to show you complete automation, growing revenues due to secure and optimization. If you want to sell their products and render services, this is what you will get. A rapid growing business, partner network, global research, compatible with popular providers. So they're definitely growing. Advantages for you as an affiliate or a publisher. Now I said I'm affiliate and I will do advertising. I'm not really in the publishing side of this. So there's high commission rates, payment is always on time, conversions optimization, recurring commissions, one-click upsells, the newest and the best product. As long as you're happy that you understand what you're selling and that you're happy with the product you're selling, then why not put your eggs in a different basket and try Digistore 24. Let's look at the next one, most CPA. I have to choose that I would suggest. I like most CPA. The only thing, I also put myself up as an advertiser for them. Let's see, is it coming open? So here I'm inside. The only thing that I don't like about most CPA, but you might not have a problem with this, is if you want to do any sessions or any campaigns, you pay in advance. So they ask for a payment in advance. I was looking at any offers that I can promote for them, my offer payouts and my dashboard, conversion rate. So as you can see, I have nothing here. Okay, let's see, post-bank payment profile settings, notification, API kit is coming soon. They have questions and answers, frequently asked questions, so you can go into that if you need any questions about the products. They have reports, campaigns. Let's look at the next product. Now I'm coming to taking action online. This is one of the products where I signed up for taking action online, and I'm selling as affiliate marketer the simple traffic blueprint. And my mentor, Philip Borrowman, is showing me the ropes on how to do it the right way. As affiliate marketers, we all learn it's good to be affiliate marketer. It's good to make money. You have to sell products. But there's always a piece of the puzzle that's not fully fitting in the big puzzle. And with Philip Borrowman, my mentor, I can now say that my puzzle is totally completed. Taking action online is my action plan for making a long-term future for myself that Philip have to help us to make sure that we understand affiliate marketing and how to get to the end result using your website, setting up everything and making sure that you're ready when it gets to affiliate marketing. The other thing about affiliate marketing, once you have set up everything and once you start making money, you just rinse and repeat. Philip has a 12-step free training to support you in this. So if you feel you want to start making your own money, starting your own business in a legal, legitimate way, sign up in my link below and check it out for yourself. Here I can show you that I'm part of the Success Connection with Anthony Morrison, where I'm selling his products as partner with Anthony. In the last 2 years, he opened up his products. Before we had to sell one product with one commission. And this is mostly how it works in affiliate marketing. Once you sell products, as long as you sell one product, you make a commission. Or what Anthony did, changing his ways of thinking about affiliate marketing, is we partner with him and then He allows us to sell any of his products. What Anthony did, this is all the products that he has on his section. He's been in the business for 15 years, and now he has all these products: Inner Circle, Success Connection, Ambassador Club, Partner with Anthony. So what Anthony did, by partnering with Anthony, whenever somebody buys a product, no matter which of these products, I get piece of the pie. Business secrets. And here I'm growing my online business and I'm doing my online classes. At the moment, I have an international speaker course. I've been an international keynote speaker for 10 years, and being out in conferences and people are asking me to help them, I prepared an online course with 6 modules of everything that you need to know to be a public speaker and to speak in front of people without fear and with confidence. So this is what I will promote on my business secrets. Legion Elite is another place that you can make money by selling their products. I'm a member of Legion Elite and I'm selling some of their products. I'm making money selling software for Legion Elite, and this is, if you're interested in specific software, then this is the place that you can look for affiliate marketing to bring in leads for you. They also have a 5-day free training where you learn everything about leads and sales and what you have to do. And like all the affiliate products that I'm selling, I've been through them and I'm happy to put my name with them to sell them. Clickbank is a good product and a good store to sell products, but don't put all your eggs in one basket. So if I have to summarize, the benefit of having your fingers in a few pies, remember, don't get distracted by having your fingers in too many pies, because you have to focus on one area and one platform, and that's where you work. Although I set up all my affiliate businesses, I'm focusing on Take Action Online and selling Simple Traffic Blueprint from Philip Borrowman. I'm also working on my YouTube channel, and this is my platform I'm using currently, as this is where my focus will be. So for me, stay focused on one area, but choose products in different areas to make sure that you have an income if something happens. There are alternatives for Clickbank. Affiliate marketing is for the long term. And I hope you've learned something from me and that I could have showed you why it's important that you use affiliate marketing in the right way to make money online. If you haven't already, remember to sign up. Give me a thumbs up if you found some value in this video, and ring the bell not to miss my next video. Every link, everything that I've been talking about, you will find the links below. If you look to an honest, easy, beginner-friendly program to use to start your online business today, click on the link below and follow a proven strategy that I'm using from Philip Borrowman to make money online. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video on the other side of the screen.